Jake here for American Trucks, and today I'm taking a look at the Barricade Overrider Hoop for the Barricade HD Off-Road Front Bumper fitting 2019 and newer Ram 1500s, excluding the Rebel and TRX. If you're looking to amp up the style and usability of your Ram 1500's Barricade HD Off-Road Front Bumper, then this is going to be the perfect addition to your truck. I do want to take a moment here before we dive too far in to reiterate that this is designed to fit the Barricade HD Off-Road Front Bumper only. So it's not going to fit with a stock bumper or any other aftermarket options. Now this overrider is meant to provide the front end of your truck with some additional protection against obstacle and debris while out on the trail or even out on the street. Since this is going to extend up above the bottom of the grille much further than the bumper itself, it's going to provide more surface area for things to bounce off of, or just generally keep larger things from hitting your grille. Plus, you get some added good looks here, since this looks cool and it adds to that rugged, aggressive appearance of the bumper itself. It's finished in the exact same texture black powder coat as the bumper, and of course it's made from the same type of steel as the bumper, so you can be sure that it's strong and it's going to be resistant to rust and corrosion for the long run. You also get some extra brackets included in the kit should you decide to mount individual lights or a full light bar across here in the front end. You've got the option to do either one. I think this really adds a nice kind of aggressive look to the front of the truck. It gives it a little extra something. Plus the added strength and protection you get is just an added benefit. Pricing here is also an easy pill to swallow, coming in at around $150. So even if you buy this and the coordinating bumper at the same time, you're still likely going to be paying less than a comparable bumper with an overrider already attached. And you have the option to remove this piece too, should you just want to change up the look or you decide that you don't like it later. Installation is going to come in at an easy 1 out of 3 on the difficulty meter, and you should plan on it taking you about an hour to complete. Just remember that you will need to get the Barricade HD front bumper to match this if you don't have it already. You do, however, get all new hardware included in here, so everything you need if you've already got that bumper is included in the box here. And with that, let's throw it over to one of our AT customers who's going to show you how to get this one done.
Okay guys, so the only tools that we need is this Allen key, which comes with everything in the box, 13mm socket, extension, and ratchet.
Hey guys, I'm here with the Barricade Overrider Hoop for the Barricade HD Off-Road Bumper. I'm going to show you guys how to put it on this 2022 Ram 1500. This is from AmericanTrucks.com.
Okay guys, so there's 2 holes on this side and 2 holes on this side of the bumper. They have these little rubber pieces that go inside of them to plug the holes if you're not gonna put this part on. So take those out of those 2 holes, take those out of those 2 holes there. Grab your bumper. It has rubber matting to protect the paint. And then you just line it up with those 2 holes and it's gonna bolt on just like that. It comes with these brackets for mounting a light. It has D for driver side and P for passenger side. So you just mount these either if you want the light up here, you can put the light down here. And this bumper also comes with these mounting brackets and you can put a light bar right here. I'm not gonna put the light bar there, I already have the light bar here. So the hardware comes with these, you just bolt them on and you can put a light bar on the overrider hoop. So we're gonna put the first bolt in with the washer. And then we're gonna need a washer and a lock washer. All right, that's all it takes. Just tighten those 2 bolts. And then do the same thing on the other side with these 2 bolts.
All right guys, and that's it. We've installed the Barricade Overrider hoop on the Barricade HD off-road bumper on a 2022 Ram 1500 from AmericanTrucks.com.
That's going to do it here for our review and install of the Barricade Overrider hoop for the Barricade HD off-road front bumper fitting 2019 and newer Ram 1500s. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, for all things Ram, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.